Hello everyone. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are fine and doing your revision well. So, my dear students, as you all know, we are doing revision of Essay 1 exam of English, right? So, as you all know, we are doing this revision according to paper style wise. So, first today we will revise our paper style and questions which we have learned in a previous video, and then after we will start with new question. Okay, so let's begin our today's session with a beautiful quote. The way I say it, if you want the rainbow, you gotta put up with the rain. Means if you want a success in your life, you have to face struggle, you have to face problems. Then only you can see the success in your life. Okay, so let's see paper style of Essay 1 exam. Let's see each questions. Question 1, meanings 5 marks. Question 1, meanings 5 marks. Question 2, fill in the blanks 5 marks. Question 2, fill in the blanks 5 marks. Question 3, tick the correct answer 5 marks. Question 3, tick the correct answer 5 marks. Question 4, opposites 5 marks. Question 4, opposites 5 marks. Question 5, rhyming words 5 marks. Question 5, rhyming words 5 marks. Question 6, true or false 5 marks. Question 6, true or false 5 marks. Question 7, complete the following 4 marks. Question 7, complete the following 4 marks. And then question 8, answer in one word 6 marks. Answer in one word 6 marks. Total 40 marks. So now let's see according to question wise. Question 1, meanings of lesson 1 to 6. So already I explained you question 1, 2, 3 and 4. So today just I will read so you can connect with the previous video. Okay. So let's see. Meanings of lesson 1, flying south. Separated means be apart. Separated means be apart. Reunite means together. Reunite means together. Then injured, hurt. Injured, hurt. Goose, a bird. Goose, a bird. Then ensure, make sure. Ensure, make sure. Now let's see meanings of poem 2, the bird on the shore. Meanings of poem 2, the bird on the shore. So let's see. Affected, hostile. Affected, hostile. Rescued means to save or help. Rescued means to save or help. Wrapped means cover. Wrapped means cover. Then next is meanings of lesson number 3, a day in the jungle. Meanings of lesson number 3, a day in the jungle. So let's see meanings. Peered means looked carefully. Peered, looked carefully. Bristled, stood upright. Bristled, stood upright. Merge, mixed. Merge, mixed. Kill, an animal killed. Kill, an animal killed. Dagger, a small sword. Dagger, a small sword. Alarm, an awareness of danger. Alarm, an awareness of danger. Track down, follow. Track down, follow. Pug marks, footprints of the tiger. Pug marks, Footprints of the tiger. Frolicked means played about happily. Frolicked means played about happily. Now, meanings of lesson number 4, the dolphin and the shark. Meanings of lesson number 4, the dolphin and the shark. So let's see. Murky. Murky means dark and dirty. Murky means dark and dirty. Swamp means soft and wet land. Swamp means soft and wet land. Grumpy, unhappy. Grumpy, unhappy. Duck-billed platypus means a sea creature. Duck-billed platypus means a sea creature. Shuffling means walking slowly and noisily. Shuffling means walking slowly and noisily. Then next is raggedy. Raggedy means looking old and dirty. Raggedy, looking old and dirty. Fiddle, violin. Fiddle, violin. Flabbergasted, surprised and shocked. Flabbergasted, surprised and shocked. Trotted, walked quickly. Trotted, walked quickly. Then next is meanings of poem 5, The Land of Counterpane. Meanings of poem 5, The Land of Counterpane. So let's see. Leaden, made of lead. Leaden means made of lead. Drills means military exercises. Drills, military exercises. Bedclothes means sheets and covers. Bedclothes means sheets and covers. Pleasant, happy. Pleasant, happy. Counterpane, bedspread. Counterpane, bedspread. Sick, ill. Sick, ill. Now let's see the meanings of next lesson, that is lesson number 6, the dragon rock. Lesson 6, the dragon rock. Let's see meanings. Clamber means climb with difficulty. Clamber means climb with difficulty. Sprawling means sitting. Sprawling means sitting. Mound means a small hill. Mound, a small hill. Number 4, twitched. Twitched means made a sudden short movement. Twitched, made a sudden short movement. Then next is number 5, intentionally. Intentionally means with great attention. Intentionally means with great attention. Number 6, swived. Number 6, swived means turned around a point. Swived means turned around a point. Number 7, scampered. Number 7, scampered means ran away quickly. Scampered means ran away quickly. Then next is number 8, tabby. Number 8, tabby. Tabby means a grey or brownish cat. Tabby means a grey or brownish cat. Number 9, huddle. Number 9, huddle. Huddle means a close group. Huddle means a close group. Then next question, that is question number 2, Fill in the blanks of lessons 1, 3, 4 and 6. There is no fill in the blanks in poems 2 and 5. Okay. So let's see. Lesson 1, Flying South. Lesson 1, Flying South. Let's see. Fill in the blanks of lesson 1. Two children spot and dash goose. Answer is injured. Answer is injured. Two children spot an injured goose. Number 2. The children and their mother help the goose to dash with his friends. The children and their mother help the goose to dash with his friends. Answer is reunite. Answer is reunite. The children and their mother help the goose to reunite with his friends. Number 3. Jim saw something dash on the ice. Answer is white. Answer is white. Jim saw something white on the ice. Then number 4. Jim and Molly wrote a dash. Jim and Molly wrote a dash. Answer is letter. Answer is letter. Jim and Molly wrote a letter. Number 5. The other geese in the dash will take him in. Answer is flock. Answer is flock. The other geese in the flock will take him in. The next is fill in the blanks of lesson number 3, A Day in the Jungle. So let's see. The children and their parents went on a jungle safari in a dash. The children and their parents went on a jungle safari in a dash. Answer is wildlife sanctuary. Wildlife sanctuary. Then number 2. They saw a dash bristling its quills. They saw a dash bristling its quills. Answer is porcupine. Answer is porcupine. They saw a porcupine bristling its quills. Number 3. The guide was looking through his dash when he spotted a leopard. The guide was looking through his dash when he spotted a leopard. Answer is binocular. Answer is binocular. The guide was looking through his binocular when he spotted a leopard. Then fill in the blanks number 4. Unlike leopards, dash and dash find it difficult to climb trees because of their weight and large size. Answer is tigers, lions. Tigers, lions. Unlike leopards, tigers and lions find it difficult to climb trees because of their weight and large size. Then number 5. The guide was trying to dash a tiger by listening to the animal's calls. Answer is track down. Answer is track down. The guide was trying to track down a tiger by listening to the animal's calls. Then next is fill in the blanks of lesson number 4, the dolphin and the shark. So let's see. They were very dash in the cool blue water. Answer is happy. Answer is happy. They were very happy in the cool blue water. Number 2. Simon's favorite dash was to attack Dudley and his sister. Answer is hobby. Answer is hobby. Simon's favorite hobby was to attack Dudley and his sister. Number 3. Frog was playing a dash. Answer is banjo. Answer is banjo. frog was playing a banjo. Number 4, raccoon was playing a dash. Raccoon was playing a dash. Answer is fiddle. Answer is fiddle. Raccoon was playing a fiddle. Number 5, the frog went back to the dash. Answer is swam. Answer is swam. The frog went back to the swam. Now, let's see fill in the blanks of lesson number 6, that is the dragon frog. So, let's see. The grown-ups would sit with mugs of steaming dash. Answer is cocoa. Answer is cocoa. The grown-ups would sit with mugs of steaming cocoa. Number 2. The boys and girls placed bunches of dash around the dragon. Answer is flowers. Answer is flowers. The boys and girls placed bunches of flowers around the dragon. Number 3. The severe heat made them dash. The severe heat made them dash. Answer is dizzy. Answer is dizzy. The severe heat made them dizzy. The severe heat made them dizzy. Then, number 4, the air was thick with dash and perfume. The air was thick with dash and perfume. Answer is pollen. Answer is pollen. The air was thick with pollen and perfume. Number 5, the dash knocked over a farmer's haystack. The dash knocked over a farmer's haystack. Answer is torrent. Answer is torrent. The torrent knocked over a farmer's haystack. The torrent knocked over a farmer's haystack. Now let's see next question. Let's see next question. That is question number 3. Tick the correct answer. Textual exercises of poem 2 and lesson 4, which I already explained you in previous video. So today we will just revise it. Okay. Poem 2, The Bird on the Shore. Let's see. Tick the correct answer. A sticky skin of oil was floating on the sea. A sticky skin of oil was floating on the sea. Number 2. The speaker and his father found the girl among the sands. The speaker and his father found the girl among the sands. Then question 3. They wrapped the bird in a towel. They wrapped the bird in a towel. Number 4. The experts showed them several other birds black with oil. The experts showed them several other birds black with oil. Now, lesson 4, the dolphin and the shark. Textual exercise. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. Simon and Dudley lived in the ocean. Simon and Dudley lived in the ocean. Number 2. Simon was grumpy because he had no brothers or sisters to play with. Simon was grumpy because he had no brothers or sisters to play with. Then number 3, Simon and Dudley saw an alligator, a frog and a raccoon. Simon and Dudley saw an alligator, a frog and a raccoon. Number 4, the frog was playing a banjo. The frog was playing a banjo. Then number 5, the raccoon was playing a fiddle. The raccoon was playing a fiddle. Number 6. Simon applauded with his fins. Simon applauded with his fins. Then let's see the next question, that is question number 4, opposites of poem 2 and 5 from textbook and Fairbook. Question 4, opposites of poem 2 and 5 from textbook and Fairbook. So let's see. First, poem 2, The Bird on the Shore. This is the image of your textbook. All the opposites are given in your textbook. Write the opposites of these words. Float, sink. Float, sink. Found, lost. Found, lost. Dead, alive. Dead, alive. Wrap, unwrap. Wrap, unwrap. Better, worst. Better, worst. Then let's see the opposites of poem 5, The Land of Counterpane, which you have already written in your Fairbook. Happy, unhappy. Happy, unhappy. Pleasant, unpleasant. Pleasant, unpleasant. Day, night. Day, night. Before, after. Before, after. Then let's see the next question, that is rhyming words. Rhyming words of poem 2 and 5 from textbook and Fairbook. Question 5, rhyming words of poem 2 and 5 from textbook and Fairbook. So let's see. Poem 2, The Bird on the Shore, rhyming words. This is the image of your textbook. These rhyming words are already given in your textbook. Write words that rhyme with this. Write words that rhyme with this. Now, as you all know, rhyming words means words which is ending with the same letters. Which is ending with the same letters. Here you can see. Dress, press. Dress, press. See here, R-E-S-S, R-E-S-S, right? Then Sid, vid. Sid, vid. Heat, meat. Heat, meat. Rain, gain. Rain, gain. Great, crate. Great, crate. Down, town. Down, town. Part, cart. Part, cart. Phone, zone. Phone, zone. So here you can see all the rhyming words. I am repeating it so you can see all the ending spellings, all the ending letters. Okay. Dress, press. Dress, press. Seed, weed. Seed, weed. Heat, meat. Heat, meat. Rain, gain. Rain, gain. Great, crate. Great, crate. Down, town. Down, town. Part, cart. Part, cart. Phone, zone. Phone, zone. Now Next is rhyming words of poem number 5, The Land of Counterpane, which you have already written in your fair book. Lay, day, lay, day. Then drills, hills, drills, hills. Flits, shits, flits, shits. About, out, about, out. Then next question is question number 6, true or false. Question number 6, true or false, from lessons 1, 3, 4, 6 and poems 2 and 5. So let's see. Number 1, collect food and waste in paper bags and throw them in dustbins. True. Collect food and waste in paper bags and throw them in dustbins. True. Then number 2, pluck flowers and leaves. False. Pluck flowers and leaves. False. Then number 3, take your litter home if you can't find a dustbin. True. Take your litter home if you can't find a dustbin. True. Number 4, allow pets to dirty the park. False. Allow pets to dirty the park. False. Then number 5, lesson flying south is about a girl. False. Lesson flying south is about a girl. False. Number 6, Jaya and Varun are siblings. True. Jaya and Varun are siblings. True. Siblings means brother and sister. Then number 7, all animals are scattered of rabbit. False. All animals are scattered of rabbit. False. Number 8, humans have remarkable intelligence. True. Humans have remarkable intelligence. True. Then next is number 9. Julie and Simon are names of fish. Julie and Simon are names of fish. True. Number 10. Dragon make an ocean for the villagers. Dragon make an ocean for the villagers. False. So my dear students, today we will do till here only. Okay. So how many questions we have completed total? Let me show you. So let me show you that how many questions we have completed. First we revise meanings. Then question 2, fill in the blanks. Then question 3, tick the correct answer. Then question 4, opposites. Then question 5, rhyming words. Then question 6, true or false. So today we have completed till question number 6. From next session we will start next question, that is question number 7. So regarding these 6 questions, if you are having any doubts, feel free to message me on my number. We will meet in our next session with the next question. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.